Yo, broski, did you hear the news? Is it about the fires in Cali? What? No. Oh. Never mind. Anyways, school is canceled tomorrow. Let's go! Thank you, Snow Bunnies. I'll never forget this. But there is one problem. And what would that one problem be? Hello? Excuse me. Yo, and what would that problem be? Dude, are you serious right now? You know what? I don't want to do this, but you leave me no choice. Now you listen here, Negro. Oh, did you not hear me shouting at you? I forgot. So school is only going to be canceled for 1 or 2 days. And you know how bipolar the Texas weather is, right? So it's only going to be sunny next week. Oh. Dang, you're right. Wait, don't you go to college? I do. Wait, don't you also go to college? I do. And if I remember right, we just graduated, so that high school stuff doesn't apply to us, and we're still on winter break. Indeed we are. Good investigation, Wilbert. I guess it is nice being in college. You could say that again. Oh gosh, some people still got school. It's quite nice being rich. We are in debt. Oh, I forgot about that. Dang, this ain't even real tea, man.